Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RN ArchiVision. Today is a new video wherein I would be teaching you how to use the match tool. Match tool is an important tool that you need to learn. It's very easy to learn and मैं आज आपको सिखाऊंगी how to use the match tool. So let's get started with our video. So today, for example, I'm going to make a polyline, okay, using the keyword PL followed by the spacebar. मैंने एक normal line create किया है, and this line को मैं ये करूँगी कि I will give colors to it, okay. So for example, मैंने color दिया है cyan color, ठीक है. ये line को मैंने cyan color दे दिया है, and now for example, I have a flow plan or maybe like something जिसका ये क्या बोलते हैं इसका white है okay and I want to apply this particular color towards this so मुझे ये दोबारा से सब सेलेक्ट करने की ज़रूरत तो बिल्कुल नहीं है if I have like multiple things over here मुझे सबको सेलेक्ट करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है by giving the colors but I'm going to use this I'm going to use the match tool इसके लिए कमांड होगा MA okay followed by the space bar ठीक है I'm gonna select the color over here and then मुझे जिसको भी apply करना है मैं आराम से इस तरह apply कर सकती हूँ ठीक है so that's how you use your match tool now for example if you have to match a hatch tool okay अगर आपको hatch है आपके पास आपको उस चीज को match करना है तो how are you gonna do that so for example I have like the two rectangles over here मैं ये rectangle को I'm gonna give like a solid color okay solid hatch दूंगी मैं और ये rectangle को I'm gonna give a hatch maybe like this one okay ये वाला hatch दूंगी मैं ठीक है तो ये वाला hatch मुझे मिल गया है and now what I'm going to do is I need to match this ठीक है so I'm going to use the match tool MA followed by the space bar I'm going to select this hatch and directly apply over here okay if not this अगर आपको vice versa करना है so I'm going to select this particular hatch and apply it over here इस तरह से ठीक है या तो if you want you can also apply it over here so इसमें क्या मैच होगा यहाँ पर जो ग्रेनेस है वो ग्रे मैच हो जाएगा ठीक है so that is how you actually use the match tool so it's something very simple very easy but is also very important so I hope you have loved watching this video I hope you have find this informative if you haven't taken a look over the other videos on my channel do take a look over it and do support me do like my videos share it with your friends and subscribe my channel I'll be back with a new informative video very soon up till then take care and bye bye